Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install a software called Audacity on your Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, what is Audacity? So Audacity is a free and open source digital editor and recording application software which is available for Windows, macOS and Linux operating systems. So let's see how we can download and install Audacity. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Audacity, and the first link which will appear here will be from audacityteam.org. So I'm going to just click on this link, and once this Audacity Team org page opens, it's going to look like this. So you can see it's a free and open source cross-platform audio software. Now in order to download Audacity, you can see here this option download, or you can scroll down a little and also you will be able to see this download Audacity option. So you can click any one of these options. I'm going to just go at the top and then choose Windows from here. Now once you reach to the Windows download page, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and you can see straight away it's going to start the download of this Audacity Win exe file. If this download is not started automatically, you can also just scroll down here and you can download the latest installer from here, right? So you can just click on this link which says Audacity and the version of Audacity 64-bit installer, and it's going to download the exe file. Now once this exe file is downloaded, just click on this file, and let me minimize the browser. So first of all, you will see this window. Just click on yes, and then the installer will start. So first of all, you can select the language. I will leave it as default, which is English, but you can choose any other language from here. So just click on OK, and then here just click on next, and this will be the license terms and conditions. So if you agree with those license terms and conditions, click on next, and this will be the default location where Audacity will be installed. So if you are okay with it, you can just click on next. Otherwise you can change the location where you want to install Audacity using this browse button and selecting the path of Audacity. I will leave it as default and then click on next, and I will leave this checkbox as checked, which will create the desktop shortcut on my Windows 11 desktop, and then click on next and then click on install, which is going to start the installation of Audacity on my Windows 11 operating system. So at this point I just need to wait for some time until Audacity is installed. The installation process is really fast, so it will be installed really fast. You can see it's already installed, and I can see the Audacity icon on my desktop. Once this is done, you can just click on next here and just leave this launch Audacity checked, which is going to launch Audacity on my Windows operating system once I click on finish button. So once I click on finish button, you can see Audacity is starting on my Windows 11 operating system. And for the first time when Audacity starts, it's going to look like this, and I can click on OK here, and you can see Audacity has been started. So I can start using Audacity on my Windows 11 operating system. So from here I can open any audio file, or I can start the recording, or Audacity have many features related to your audio files, so you can explore all these features using this ribbon here. So this is how you can download and install Audacity on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.